rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. Gonna bust some caps, hit some asses. Fool!
Nobody take my stapler. I'm gonna leave it right here on the desk. Stays right here. Nobody takes my stapler. If you take my stapler, I'm gonna set the building on fire. So do not take my stapler. My stapler stays right here. Nobody take my stapler. My stapler. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hey, excuse me. I believe you have my stapler. That's my stapler. Give me back my stapler. Okay. I'm gonna set the building on fire now. Bring my Uzi. Yeah. They took my stapler. Have you seen my stapler? My stapler. No? Okay. I'm gonna set the building on fire now.
He's gonna burn this shit down. I'll pity the fool.
I'm gonna bring my Uzi. Set the building on fire. Getting me really mad. Now I'm about to go postal, as they took my stapler.
They took his motherfucking stapler. Now they're gonna pay. I'm pretty the fool.
Take this jab and shove it right between your ugly buttocks before my Uzi fills you full of bullets.
Yeah!
Going postal, as they say, because it's bring a gun to work day. Now I've made them pay because they took my stapler.
Take this job and shove it right up your ass. Fool.